guys, and welcome back to another episode of Kama Fitness, giving you tips on how to look and, more importantly, feel better so you can head out into the dating world with your very best foot forward. Now, one thing that is hard to overlook when it comes to men is a fabulous set of arms. Now, I don't care how strong and independent a woman claims to be, no one would say no to being embraced by a man with a lovely set of biceps. Now, there is something to be said about a man's strength that makes a woman feel safe, which is something that every woman wants, no matter how much she may claim she's a feminist. Your arms are one of the most noticeable parts of a person, but they also play a huge role in working out other muscle groups, such as your back and your chest. So they need their own dedicated time to ensure that they can contribute to larger loads both your chest and back can handle. Biceps are also normally a man's favorite part of their body to work out. So I'm throwing you 5 variations your way to work out all of your biceps and adjoining muscles to get those arms looking fabulous. have it, guys. There were 5 bicep exercises that you can throw into your workouts to make sure you work out your entire bicep and get those gorgeous arms that make a woman go, ooh. One important thing you need to remember is that it's not about the weight that you rep. It's more about the form. If you have to swing your arms to rep the weight, gravity is doing most of the work rather than your actual bicep, and that's not going to help you gain any strength or any muscle, and you also might look a little bit silly. Now, control the contractions from start to finish, and when the weight gives you that adequate amount of resistance, that's when you know you're repping the right weight. Now, if you want to take your fitness seriously and really change for the better, not only to improve your success in the dating world, but to really improve yourself, but you just quite don't know where to start, don't worry, because I have got you covered. Follow the link below to click on the card above, and it's going to take you to our Kama Fitness section of KamaLifestyles.com. There you're going to find custom workouts and custom nutrition plans that will be perfectly tailored to you and your truly unique fitness journey. If you do need any fitness advice, then please drop me an email to Annabella@KamaLifestyles.com with the subject line fitness, and I will endeavour to assist you and motivate you in any way possible. Also, let me know what you think of Kama Fitness and if you want me to do anything specific by dropping a comment in the comment box below. You also know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe. If you do want to see any behind the scenes from my fitness stuff, then you can follow me on Instagram at anna.bella.rose. And I'll see you next time on KamaTV.